Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Honey and I make food, travel, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in those three topics, then I highly suggest that you subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Today is another Friday and we are going to be heading out. So me and Christine have been planning for some time to go to this Seva Cafe that is located in Jumeirah. So finally today we are able to do so. So I'm just gonna go pick up Christine and we're gonna head to that cafe and find out what they've got to offer. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so we've already arrived here at Seva Cafe. So we've learned one thing. This is like a vegan restaurant. Okay. So this is like a vegan restaurant. So I was actually expecting to eat like rice and chicken because I'm very hungry, but they don't have that food. So they have like a vegan menu. They already took it out because we already like gave out our orders. So we ordered an eggless omelette, and then there is also sharing for caring in the menu, which has a lot of dips and they give a bread together with it. And then I ordered beauty potion for the hot drinks. Christine ordered deep cacao. So yeah, we are just waiting for all of the food to be done. Actually, we're gonna transfer to another table, so they are just cleaning out the other table. So we are just here. Yeah, it's a beautiful cafe. Like, I just wasn't expecting that it was vegan. We just came here for the view because my friend Christine saw this one on TikTok. We told ourselves that we have to try it. So yeah, we're here. It's a beautiful cafe. We're transferring over to this area. Dear, can I have one of the menu, please? And this is the beauty potion. The eggless omelette is there. Ooh, it looks like really a real egg, but it's not made of egg. That's why it's eggless. It's called eggless. And here is the deep cacao love. So our food are all here. So yeah. You have to come on. These are the food and we're gonna start eating now because naubos na yung time namin kaka-picture. Start eating. So this is the violet colored bread and I dipped it in the white colored sauce. Actually, I'm just describing the color. So the white colored sauce is the hummus. So the hummus has a different twist to it. Like, I can't tell exactly what, but it's not like the regular hummus that you buy from the grocery. So I'm trying now the the black bean, I guess. And this is the guacamole. So if you're not into vegan food, you might find the food here a little bit like, I don't know, weird. I don't want to offend anyone, but yeah, but like actually I'm surprised. They taste good as well. Like they're very tasty. I'm just not used to eating like all vegan. So I will be trying now the eggless omelette and see if it really tastes like an omelette. So I'm gonna be telling you the verdict of the love potion. Char. I've actually tasted it already. I didn't like it. Wait. So they gave us this jackfruit thingy. It's also vegan. This one is from Maldives and this one is from Sri Lanka. So they've asked us to try it, and if we like it, then we can purchase like one from their store. But how do you find it, Tin? We don't want to offend anyone, but really. So I'm gonna try it as well and see how I like it. Oh, even their spoon, it's wooden, so it's not plastic. It's good for the environment. Mao ni ang Sri Lankan, no? I'm gonna try the Sri Lankan one first. I'm only taking a little bit.
I think that's jackfruit. How was it?
And I'm gonna try also the Maldivian one.
I think banana.
So the Sri Lankan one is jackfruit, and this one, the Maldivian one, is banana.
Same taste. But it's better than that.
They taste alike actually, but the Sri Lankan one was like a lot stronger when it comes to spices. But even though they gave us this one, probably will not buy it. We're not eating that kind of food. Right, Tin?
Cannot be.
We are at Seva Cafe. Ngit-ngit na. Sige, we're gonna walk na.
Tuyok na food.
Rumampay na po kami. Joke. Sa way dito.
Pinalis na kami mga.
Daddy. So we are already heading on our way out. I will sit here beside Teddy. But it's too bright, so I have to move forward. So yeah, because the cafe closes at 7:30, so they close a little bit early, but yeah. Hi guys.
Sweet.
Di maklaro.
Wee.
Ya mahol ba dahil ito?
Tagang got on camera.
We're so happy. Hi guys! So we are already done with our Seva experience. So yeah, today is a
Chill
great
day.
time to try on vegan food. It's my first time to try vegan food
Me
actually.
also.
So how did you find the food in?
It's okay.
Actually, the
But
food
the
was
food,
good,
yeah.
but it's just that we are not vegan, and it's not our type of food. Because our type of food is the unhealthy. So
Fast food.
yeah, it was a great experience. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Thumbs up.